We've got a third and a fourth grade math team that are both competing in a national competition. Both of the grade levels have a chance to be first in the country as they enter their final contest today.
We are perfect through the first two math team competitions, so this third and final one is for all the marbles. We have 5 individual kids going for individual math team champions, meaning that they score perfect on all 3 math team tests as well, which is the highest number of fourth graders ever going for this individual championship. So our third test is so exciting, where if 4 students score a perfect 15, then we are national champions.
Over the years, we typically have 2/3 to 3/4 of our students joining. They choose to give up recess times to practice hard math questions. They practice once a week earlier in the year, and then later in the year it's become much more frequent than that. They're begging for more.
Well, I usually group up with a couple of other kids, and I practice with a math team test from past years, and we try and figure out how to do a problem, and eventually when it gets to a real test, we'll have those questions figured out.
We have lots of practices, and then right before the test, I get really nervous, but then at the big checking party, you get really excited, and when you hear that you got a good score, you feel really good about yourself.
The checking party occurs after we've taken a math team test, and we gather all the kids together, and if they would like their test checked in front of the entire math team, then they can put a star or a check at the top of their page, and we go through their answers under the document camera for everyone to see, and it's awesome. All the kids are so excited about all the different scores and rooting for each other, no matter you get a 1 or a 15, there's just the same amount of enthusiasm. They're so excited about it.
Math team is just not like a team, it's like a family, because everybody's like around you and they're cheering you on, and everybody's like so happy for you. It just feels really good.
When we all work together to get one goal, it's a team bonding thing, and it's fun, and we don't care if you get an 8 out of 15 or 15 out of 15, everyone cheers the same.
What we try to do is make math team very much like a team competition, very much like a sport. If you told a basketball team, you can never play a real game in front of anyone, you can only practice, there wouldn't be a lot of kids excited about playing basketball. That's what we do to kids in math. We tell them, do all this practice, but you'll never get a chance to show this off for any sort of competitive environment. This changes that. The goal of math team isn't necessarily getting every question right. It's about growing as a learner. It's about getting excited about mathematics. So for us to be national champs, this is huge. This is a very impressive thing.